In today's service, I learned about the importance of favor and how favor can supernaturally transform our life. Now, when we say favor, we're not talking about favor from human beings. We're talking about the favor of God. It's true that somebody could do you a favor, but they can only help you as far as their hands can reach. For example, if someone says they're going to connect you with an opportunity, they can only connect you to who they know. But imagine if God favors you. Imagine the God who knows everything, the God who created man, the man in England, the man in Asia, the man in America. Imagine if God favors you. Your potential is unlimited. What could happen? The possibilities are unlimited. Today I learned that one day of favor from God is better than 10 years of labor and struggles. It's not about what your hands can do and your sweat and your tears and your hours. The favor of God can instantly turn your life around. It's the God factor. The God factor makes the difference. Personally, I can say that my life is a living proof of the favor of God. I had the opportunity to get a scholarship to study and play soccer here in the United States. I wasn't the greatest soccer player, but God opened the door and made this possible. I graduated as the valedictorian of my class. It wasn't by my own strength. I can't say that I'm so smart. It's by the simply the help of God. God helping me through the process and helping me to excel. After my graduation, I said I'm going to write a book. How it will happen, I wasn't too sure. But today I can boldly say by the good hand of God, it's a reality. This is my book here. This book was put together by people I don't even know, but they believed in the message that I had to share. This picture was taken by somebody I met on the day. I only met him the first time, but let me say the favor of God. I'm intensely grateful for what God has done in my life because God has smiled on me. He's almost compelled people to smile at me. That's what favor of God does. It doesn't matter whether you're qualified or not qualified. When God says, this is the person I approve of, the world is compelled to approve of you. So don't run after the favor from man or human beings. How can this person help me get to where I need to get to? Go after the favor of God. Because when God's hand is on your case is settled. Just sit down and relax. So this week, let's go after the favor of God by living a holy life, by seeking His kingdom and seeking His face, and also praying for favor, because you can also pray for favor. God bless you, and I look forward to hearing your outstanding testimonies. God bless you.